Hello, we are starting with the chapter 12 of class 9th, that is the Heron's formula. Now, what is the Heron's formula? Heron's formula is the formula to find the area of the triangle when the three sides of the triangle is given, when all the three sides of the triangle is given. Now, let us take a triangle ABC, then the capital alphabets denotes the angles of the triangle, that is angle A, angle B and angle C. Then the small alphabets denote the sides of the triangle. Then the side A is the side opposite to the angle A, which is denoted by small a. Then this is the side B, that AC is the side B, which is opposite to the angle B, and the side C, small c, is the side opposite to angle C. Now the area of the triangle when the three sides of the triangle is given is known as the Heron's formula, and it is equal to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now what is S? Now here S is the semi-perimeter of the triangle. Semi-perimeter means the half of the perimeter of the triangle, which is A plus B plus C upon 2. Perimeter is the sum of the length of all the sides of the triangle, that is A plus B plus C upon 2 is S, and A, B, C are the sides of the triangle. This formula is used when the side of the triangle is given. Now you know that the area of the right angle triangle is half base into height, and you also know that the area of equilateral triangle is root 3 upon 4 into side square. So this is the Heron's formula. Heron's formula is, again I am repeating that, it is a formula to find the area of the triangle when all the three sides of the triangle are given. And S is the semi-perimeter of the triangle, which is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2, and A, B, C are the sides of the triangle. Now we are starting with exercise 12.1, and in this it is given that there is an equilateral triangle of side A. It is given, you have to find the area of the triangle, and after that the side of the triangle is given, you have to find the area of that triangle. Now here the board is in the shape of an equilateral triangle. You read the question from your book, NCERT book. It is given that each side of the equilateral triangle is A. So you have to find the area of this equilateral triangle in terms of A. Now here the sides are A and A. A is also equal to A, B is also equal to A, and C is also equal to A. So semi-perimeter is A plus B plus C upon 2, which is equal to A plus A upon 2, which is 3A by 2. Now when all the three sides of the triangle is given, then the area of the triangle is under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, and replace the value of ABC, which is S, S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. It is equal to S minus C. Now what is A? Now A is here A itself, B here is A itself, and C here is also A. S is 3 by 2A, 3 by 2A, 3 by 2A, 3 by 2A. And we have used this area of the triangle when all the three sides of the triangle is given, which is known as the Heron's formula. So 3 by 2 into A, 3A upon 2 minus A, subtract by taking the LCM, 3A upon 2 minus A, subtract by taking the LCM, that is you are getting A by 2, A by 2, A by 2. So we have A into A into A into A square. So take outside the square root, you will get A square root 3. You take out 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 outside the square root, you will get 4. You know how to find the square root. A into A, 2 into 2, it is 2, and 2 into 2 is also equal to 2. Now you can learn this formula. We have already discussed that the area of equilateral triangle is root 3 upon 4 into side square. So root 3 upon 4 into side square, which is equal to A here. So this is the question number 1. In this question number 1, the second part is given that the perimeter of the triangle is given, that is equal to 180. Now you have to find the area of this triangle. Now the perimeter is somehow all sides. Now because the side here in this question is all equal to A, or it is an equilateral triangle, so A plus A plus A is equal to 180. Now the value of A will be 180 upon 60. Now you can use the area of equilateral triangle, that is root 3 upon 4 into side square, and side is equal to 60. So it is equal to root 3 upon 4 into 60 square, which is coming out to be 900 root 3 centimeter square. So this is the question number 1. Now in question number 2, it is you read a question from your book. It is given that there is a advertising board in a shape of a triangle whose sides is given as 122 centimeter, 22 centimeter and 120 centimeter. Rather it is in meters, and it is given that the rate of per meter square for advertising there is 5,000 rupees, and you have to find the rent of it for 3 months. It is a rent for 1 meter square for 12 months, 1 year it is given. You have to find the rent of this board for 3 months. So first of all you will find the area of the triangle. Now all the 3 sides are given. First of all find the value of semi perimeter, which is equal to S, that is A plus B plus C upon 2, which is equal to 122 plus 22 plus 120 upon 2. Simplify, you are getting 132 meters. Now the area of the triangle using the Heron's formula, under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Replace S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Simplify it. Find the square root of this by making the prime factors. You know how to find the square root. It is coming out to 1320 meter square. It means you have to find the rent for 1320 meter square board for 3 months. So we use some unitary method to find the rent. Now it is given that there is a rent of rupees 5,000 for 12 months per meter square. So the rent for 12 months per meter square is 5,000. For 1 month it will be 5,000 divided by 12. For 3 months it will be 5,000 divided by 12 into 3. This is the rent of 1 meter square for 3 months, that is 1250. Now you have to find the rent for how many meter square? 1320 meter square. So you multiply this 1250 with 1320, because the rent for 1 meter square for 3 months is 1250. Then the rent for this 1320, you multiply it with 1250, you are getting 1,65,000 rupees. So this is the question number 2. Now in question number 3, it is given that the sides of the triangle is given as 11 meters, 15 meters and 6 meters, and you have to find the area to be painted. So it means you have to find the area of the triangle. All the sides are given, so call them A, B and C. Find the semi perimeter, that is S, A plus B plus C upon 2, which is coming out to be 16. So area of the triangle to be painted will be under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Replace the value S, A, B and C. You are getting this. Make the prime factors. You know how to find the square root. Make the prime factor. You are getting 20 root 2 meter square. This is the area to be painted with a color. Yes, in question number 4, the perimeter of the triangle is given 42. You take your own time to read the question from your book. The perimeter of the triangle is given, which is 42, and the 2 sides of the triangle is given as 18 and 10. So I have let it equal to A and B. So A plus B plus C equal to 42. You know the perimeter, the sum of all the sides of the triangle. So the value of A is given as 18, the value of B is given as 10. You can easily find the value of C, which is equal to 21. Now you know all the sides of the triangle. Now you can easily find the area of the triangle by using the Heron's formula, which is equal to under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Replace the value of A, S, A, B and C, S, A, B and C. Subtract it, make the prime factors. 3 into 3 will come out to be 3 outside the square root. 7 into 7 will come out to 7 outside the square root. So 3 into 7 outside the square root, and this 11 remaining. So it is 21 root 11 centimeter square is the area of this triangle. Now in question number 5, the ratio of the sides of the triangle is given, which is equal to 12:17:25. you know how to remove the ratios. So you let the A as 12x, B is 17x, and C is 25x. Now A plus B plus C is equal to 540. So A, replace the value of ABC, you are getting the value of x. When you replace the value of x here, that is which is 10. So A will be 12 into 10, B is equal to 17 into 10, C will be 25 into 10. You are getting all the sides of the triangle. Now find the semi-perimeter, which is A plus B plus C upon 2, and area of the triangle by using the Heron's formula, which is equal to under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Replace in this, find the prime factors, take it out from the square root. You will get 9000 centimeter square as the area of this triangle. Now in question number 6, the equal sides of the triangle is given as 12. You have to find the area of the triangle, and the perimeter of the triangle is given. So let the side of the triangle be A plus A, B and C. The perimeter is A plus B plus C is equal to 30. You know the equal side is 12. So let us call them A and B. So 12 plus C, you will get the third side. When all the perimeter is given, the two sides are given, you can easily find the third side, which is coming out to be 6. You can find the semi-perimeter, which is equal to 15, that is A plus B plus C upon 2, and you can easily find the area of the triangle when all the three sides of the triangle is given by using the Heron's formula, which is under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Replace the value of S, A, B, C in this formula, make the prime factors, take it out from the square root, which is 9 root 15 centimeter square is the area of this triangle. So this is the completion of the exercise first of this Heron's formula, and we'll continue in the next lecture. Thank you.